Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this BMW M3 GT2. It's by Hot Wheels and it's part of the Neon Speeders line of casting. This is something that lies somewhere between their main line and their premium. They have got few of these new castings coming out, basically new lines. Some of them are older casting but with new paint job and more details. The neon is supposed to glow in the dark. I haven't tested it yet. We'll try to make a small video on that. So let's open it up and see how does it look. While I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So here is the BMW M3 out of its box, and I must say it looks good. It has some good details on it. So let's see. Let's start from the front. Up front you've got detailed headlamp, you got detailed grille and a BMW logo. Also you can see you've got this big splitter. Nice. Lower grille again finished in black. This looks ready for race. Also if you look from here you can see it has got wider wheel arches, so it's custom kind of car. Now moving to the driver's side, again this custom orange paint with this neon accents. These wheels are different what you get from any main line, so they look good here. And actually I think BMW does wheels like this. They are plastic though, they are not rubber like you get on the premium, but they look good. Also from the side you can see how the wheel arches are wider and you have vents for cooling. You also got the number 4 M3 GT2 written there, Michelin as a sponsor. Misses out on mirrors though, no mirrors. The big vent in the hood here, again I think for more cooling. Also you can see the exhaust side mounted, so you won't see any exhaust on the rear. Two-door obviously. Coming to the back, big spoiler, actually huge spoiler, but then again good details, detailed tail lamp, BMW logo, even detailed lower bumper detail, so you've got blacked out pieces here. Just look like vents, so good details there. This is how it looks from the top, and obviously it's a two-seater because GT2, so you can see no rear seats. Rear seat delete. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical, no major differences. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, well actually it only has one seat. Before going to overall, it only has driver seat, no passenger seat in either. Overall, well, I would have loved it if it had mirrors, would have looked so much better. But then, even without that, great details on it. Obviously, it lies between premium and the main line, so you got something more than main line, but then something is missing compared to a premium. But I like this. It's not bad, it looks good. And I will have to try how it glows in the dark or not. But for now, yeah, it looks like a good casting. And I think if Hot Wheels keep doing this, bringing like some the cool mainline casting with more details, I think they'll be doing a good job. Well, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about this BMW, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.